name of the guide in the subject line, and I'm also going to add a bit more of a sign off at the bottom, best wishes, Matt Garrett, and one of my main membership domains. So I've got enough information in there to be going with. Let's click on save, and again, once that's saved, click on next and move over to the gate styling. On the gate styling, I'm going to leave most of the information here the same, except the button color I'm going to change to blue because I know the color format in the ebook itself is blue. So again, click on save. Once that's saved, click on next to move on to the page settings. On this page, I'm going to pop in my URL from my main site in case I ever need to pause this campaign. Then I'm going to pop in an SEO page title, and I'm going to use the same thing for the SEO meta description. Then I'm going to scroll down, and before I go too far down, I'm going to change the branding from FlipGuardian to my own brand. I can also change the page color if I want to, but the main thing I need to do here is pop in a new header. I've already written one out, so I'm just going to pop that in, and a new subheader. Again, pop in my subheader, and I'm going to pop in a footer as well. Now at some point I'll probably come back and play with the colors and the styling a little bit more to make it match the style of the PDF, but that's actually all I need to do. And as I'm not a pro member, I'm not going to do annotations or videos. I can actually just click on save and exit and grab the page for my new FlipGuardian Flipbook Money Machine. What I'm going to do is click on this and choose open in a new tab, and we'll pop over to have a look at that. And let's go and flip through the pages to get through to where it gets to the payment gateway. That will take a few pages. I think we actually went for 14 pages on the setup. So one more and we'll hit the payment gateway. It will ask us to pay. Let's click on the buy button, and it brings up the Stripe payment page. So all I need to do now is put in my first name, my last name, email, put in my card number, and I can pay to get full access to the ebook. And that's it. There is no sales page. There is no download page. I didn't have to write any sales copy. The visitor had the opportunity